Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this math tutorial, the question reads, use Pascal's triangle to find the first four terms in the expansion of 1 minus x over 3 to the power of 8. So with me here is Pascal's triangle that is already constructed. So we need to find a formula that we are going to use to find those terms. So we are mainly concerned with the 8th row. So this is the 8th row, and we are looking at these coefficients. We are looking at 1, 8, 28, and 56. Now let's construct the formula that we are going to use. We are going to say a plus b is equal to a to the power 8 plus a to the power of 7 b. But now we put the coefficient of 8 on this term. We do the same thing on the third term. We are going to put 28 a to the power of 6 b squared plus the fourth term has a coefficient of 56. So we are going to say 56 a to the power of 5 and b to the power of 3. So each time the power of 8 is decreasing by 1 and the power of b is increasing by 1. All right. So now let's evaluate that binomial. We are going to say now 1 minus x over 3 to the power of 8. And in this regard, we are going to take our a as 1 and our b will be x minus x over 3. So this is going to be equal to, you see, 1 is a, so 1 to the power of 8, we just get a 1 on that. Then we add that to 8. 1 to the power of 7 is 1, and b is just minus x over 3, like that. And then we add that to 28. A to the power of 6, a is 1, so we're just going to get a 1, and b squared, that will be minus x over 3 squared. We add that to 56. A is 1, 1 to the power of 5 is 1, and b is minus x over 3. That's to the power of 3. All right. Now, therefore, we can now say the first four terms are, so first four terms are 1, then 8 times minus x over 3 is minus 8 over 3x. And then we have minus x over 3, that gives us x squared over 9. So we're going to have 28, that's a positive, over 9x squared. And then we cube that, we are going to have minus x to the power of 3 divided by 27. So we are going to have minus 56 over 27x to the power of 3. So we have managed to find the first four terms of that binomial. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.